Some apps might be hidden on your iPhone, and these apps occupy space. Most of the time, the apps is not really available on the home screen because you are not using them. And sometimes the apps is hidden in some files or placed on your iPhone. And these as well take more or some of the space on your iPhone. So what you need to do is to check this particular setting on iPhone and remove such app from the device if you have any such app. So all you have to do is to scroll down to the last page of the apps like this, where you have this called app library. Here you can see that the apps are grouped in section. We have recently added, so if you recently install apps on your device, you have them located here. If you have social media apps on your device, you have them here like the Facebook, TikTok, and the rest. Then you have the creativities apps, you have the utility apps, you have the productivity apps, you have finance apps. So all this is what you have here. Now there is a particular section that is called hidden. Here, if some apps are hidden here and you don't know such apps is hidden here, the apps might be occupy some space on your device. Now what you need to do is to tap on it and provide your face ID to unlock it. You can see that there's no apps here. If there is any apps on your own, just tap on it for a few seconds. It brings some option. Tap on delete. If you tap on delete, then this will remove the apps from your device. Or you tap on return to home screen. So that will bring the apps to the home screen on your device. So if you try delete social from this place, then it's going to free up some space on your device. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this. Don't forget to share and drop your comment in the comment section.